29th October is observed as World Stroke Day. Prevention is always better than cure. A brain stroke occurs when supply of blood and nutrients is disrupted to the brain cells. As a result, the cells in brain start dying instantly, and if proper treatment is not given, it may cause permanent damage to the brain. The name you can trust for your specialized medical treatment needs in India: CMCS Health. What are the types of strokes? There are two main causes of a stroke: a blocked artery in the brain, that is called a ischemic stroke, a rupture of a blood vessel in the brain known as hemorrhagic stroke. Types of stroke. Ischemic strokes are the most common type. They usually occur because of narrowing or blocking of brain blood vessels. Hemorrhagic stroke is because of rupture of a blood vessel in the brain. Transient ischemic attack, or TIA, is when a person has temporary period of symptoms of a stroke. A TIA does not cause permanent damage to the brain. What are the risk factors associated with a stroke? The lifestyle related risk factors are obesity and being overweight, sedentary lifestyles, smoking, exposure to the second-hand smoke, and heavy alcohol consumption. The medical risk factors for a brain stroke are uncontrolled prolonged blood pressure, high cholesterol level, uncontrolled diabetes, obstructive sleep apnea, cardiovascular disease, such as heart failure or heart defects, heart infection, or abnormal heart rhythm such as atrial fibrillation. A family history, COVID-19 infections. Sign and symptoms of a brain stroke. Time is vital for stroke patients. Immediately get medical help. When you observe a sudden slur or difficulty in speech, confusions or difficulty in understanding speech, paralysis or numbness in one side of the face, paralysis or numbness of limbs one side, blurred or blackened vision in one or both the eyes, sudden severe headache accompanied by nausea, dizziness, or altered consciousness. trouble while walking, stumbling, imbalance, and lack of coordination. Complications of eye stroke. A stroke may sometimes causes irreversible damage, depending on parts of the brain devoid of blood supply and for how long. Complications of a stroke may include paralysis or loss of muscle movement, difficulty in speaking or swallowing, memory loss or confusions, depression and difficulty in controlling emotions, change in behavior and self-care ability, pain, numbness or tingling sensation in the affected part. How brain strokes are diagnosed. Strokes occur all of a sudden and patient must get prompt medical care in a hospital to minimize the damage. There are several tests doctors may recommend to assess the type of stroke and the extent of the damage because of the stroke. The first and foremost is a physical examination, which may involve checking muscle strength, reflexes, sensation, vision, and coordination. They may also check blood pressure, listen to the carotid arteries in the neck, and examine the blood vessels at the back of the eyes. Doctors may refer following investigation if they suspect a stroke: blood test, CT scans, MRI scans, carotid ultrasound, cerebral angiogram, echocardiogram. The name you can trust for your specialized medical treatment needs in India. Ischemic stroke treatments. Stroke treatment depends on the type and the severity. Ischemic stroke require early restoration of blood supply to the affected portion of the brain. Emergency IV administration of TPA to dissolve the clot after considering the safety in the patient. Emergency endovascular procedures like TPA being given directly into the brain, removing the clot with a stent retriever, often in conjunction with TPA. Carotid endarterectomy is a surgery that removes the plaque blocking a carotid artery and may reduce your risk of ischemic stroke. A carotid endarterectomy also involves risk, especially for people with heart disease or other medical condition. Angioplasty and stents. Management of hemorrhagic strokes. Emergency treatment of hemorrhagic stroke focus on controlling the bleeding and reducing pressure in the brain caused by the accumulation of excessive fluid. If the patient is on blood thinning medicines, blood product transfusion and medication to counter the effect of blood thinners. Patient may also be administered medicines for reducing the blood pressure, prevention of spasms and seizures, surgery for removing excessive blood and correction of any aneurysm or AVM, surgical clipping, endovascular embolization, and surgical AVM removal, stereotactic radiosurgery, rehabilitation for stroke patients. After emergency medication, the focus shifts on managing the damage due to the stroke. Every person's stroke recovery is different. Depending on one's condition, treatment course is decided by your doctor. Stroke recovery and rehabilitation focus on four major areas: speech therapy. A speech or language therapist will work on the speech and language impairment due to the stroke. Finding alternative methods for communication. Cognitive therapy. An occupational therapist will help in controlling mood and behavioral changes because of the stroke. Relearning sensory skills and physiotherapy for the muscles. How to prevent a stroke? Certain changes in habits and lifestyles can help in prevention of strokes. Quit smoking, drinking in moderation, maintain a healthy body weight, eat a diet high on fruits and vegetables, eat food low in cholesterol, trans and saturated fats. Exercise more. Keep your BP and diabetes in check. Regular medical follow-up for cholesterol levels and other ailments. The name you can trust for your specialized medical treatment needs in India: CMCS Health and Medicare Private Limited, your healthcare consultant in India. 29th October is observed as World Stroke Day. Prevention is always better than cure. A brain stroke occurs when supply of blood and nutrients is disrupted to the brain cells. As a result, the cells in brain start dying instantly, and if proper treatment is not given, it may cause permanent damage to the brain. The name you can trust for your specialized medical treatment needs in India: CMCS Health. What are the types of strokes? There are two main causes of a stroke: